163b2, which stipulates that the Supreme Court shall have appellate jurisdiction and determine appeals from any other court or tribunal by national legislation. The Supreme Court goes on to note the Constitution also confers jurisdiction upon the Supreme Court to appeal from a judge who has been recommended for removal under Act 8. As far as we are aware, Parliament has any further appellate jurisdiction upon the Supreme Court in terms of 3.3b Roman 2 above. Regard to the special jurisdiction previously conferred by Section 14 Act, which was repealed by Section 15 of Act 2022, the Supreme Court was unequivocal in affirming that this provision did not grant Parliament the authority the court's jurisdiction beyond what is contemplated. The court expressed this position. Again, we go back to the case of Kenya Commercial Bank and two others. It's important to read the text. The court states as follows: what is the proper province of Article 160 of the Constitution? Does the article contemplate a situation that can confer further jurisdiction upon the Supreme Court? We hold that it doesn't. The Act contemplates nature. Such an Act was intended to augment the rules of regulating the exercise of its jurisdiction. It is an act to the administrative aspects of the court. It is a law that addresses the manner the court exercises its jurisdiction as conferred by the Constitution. And they go on to summarize: such an act was never it and confer jurisdiction upon the Supreme Court set by the Constitution. From this analysis, the conclusion that the jurisdiction to hear disputes arising from President and Deputy President does not lie with the Supreme Court exclusive jurisdiction. Instead, such jurisdiction. We now turn to the jurisdiction conferred